हे गाइस, हाय। शुरू करने से पहले कुछ एक साल 8 महीने, ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 साल के थोड़ा ऊपर पीछे चलते हैं। लेट्स गो बैक टू नवंबर 23, 2018, जब पहली बार हमने 9th and 10th कैटेगरी में एक यूट्यूब चैनल खोला, है ना। दैट वाज अमेजिंग, इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस। जिस तरीके से एक छोटे से बच्चे की तरह उसे हम पाल पोस कर बड़े करके लाए, आप लोग उसका पार्ट थे, आज भी हो, है ना। और देखते ही देखते मतलब विद इन 1.5 years, थोड़ा सा ऊपर 1.5 years से वी हैव क्रॉस्ड 8 lakh सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड वी आर रनिंग टूवर्ड्स द गोल्ड प्ले बटन, और आई शुड से 1 million milestone. It's a very big achievement and we are very proud where are we today, and we are very glad that it happened because of you. Why? Because we love you and you love the same way as we love you, right? I hope so, I really hope so. तो बच्चों, इसमें एक छोटी सी दिक्कत आ गई थी बीच में। दिक्कत क्या थी? जब हमने इस पर्टिकुलर चैनल को स्टार्ट किया था, हमारे पास क्लैरिटी नहीं थी कि इंग्लिश में पढ़ाया जाए या हिंदी में पढ़ाया जाए। That was a very sort of dilemma. And trust me when I say this, even today we have the dilemma, even today. And the primary proof of that is कि हम आज भी सेशन इंग्लिश और हिंदी मिक्स करके लेते हैं in Hinglish, not in English or Hindi, in Hinglish. You know that, right? All of our sessions, even now I'm speaking in Hindi and English both, right? So every one of the sessions going in maybe CBSE 10, CBSE 9, ICC 10, वो सारे के सारे लैंग्वेज, सारा का सारा जो कंटेंट वो इंग्लिश में जा रहा है, राइट? इंग्लिश हिंदी मिक्स। तो इससे कोई ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं है। कि दिक्कत क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि भाई 95% we took a poll, we took a survey with all the students there in our channel, all the subscribers there in our channel. We took a survey and it came out कि 95% of our subscribers are okay with English and Hindi mixed. There were only 5% of students who said either Hindi or either English. And we were like shocked. Oh, great. तो मतलब जो हम कर रहे हैं वो ठीक ही है। लेकिन that does not mean कि जो हम कर रहे हैं वो sustainable होगा, है ना। ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि मतलब जो बच्चे ओके बोल रहे हैं मतलब इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों में, लेकिन हर एक इंसान का पढ़ने का तरीका अलग होता है ना। जैसे मुझे ले लो, अगर इफ आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, व्हेन आई वाज अ स्टूडेंट, नाउ तो आई एम ओके, बट व्हेन आई वाज अ स्टूडेंट, इफ आई हियर एनीथिंग इन इंग्लिश, if I do understand it, I would convert that into Hindi in my mind until I was in college. और जब तक मुझे इंग्लिश की ठीक से फर्क मिलने लगी, वो कॉलेज तक पहुंचने के बाद ही हुई थी। That's when I started speaking English more and more, because as all of you guys know, I was from a village in Andaman Nicobar Islands जहाँ पे इतने एक्सपोज नहीं थे, correct? So I hope you got the clarity, correct? So I was exactly like you, how you guys are. तो that's the reason why I used to convert the definitions, everything in Hindi and understand in my mind. ठीक है, इवन टुडे समटाइम्स आई डू दैट। सो इट्स कंप्लीटली योर कॉल कि मतलब आप लोग इंग्लिश में समझना चाहते हो कि हिंदी में समझना चाहते हो। लेकिन ये कॉल आपके पास अब तक नहीं था, और इसी चीज को सॉल्व करने के लिए बच्चों आज हमारा ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है। सो एवरी वन ऑफ यू गाइस हु फेस दिस इशू इन एनी ऑफ द चैनल्स आउट देयर, गिव मी अ क्विक tararara right now in the chat. Let's go and let me know in the comment section as well. So people, now let me give you my introduction. My name is Abhishek. I'm the master teacher of physics at Vedantu, and here I'm today to solve that issue of English or Hindi, because CBSE, ICC revolves around both of them, right? And that's what we cater to. Obviously you can ask me, sir, why not any other language in India? But what can I say? English or Hindi, most of you guys know, right? Most of you guys know. That's the point. Now coming back to the point, इसके लिए हम कर क्या रहे हैं? And the breaking news for today, people, is nothing else but 9th and 10th existing channel, which has all the subjects in it for CBSE 9, CBSE 10th and ICC 10th, is now going to be completely replicated in English. Yes, we are starting a brand new channel for 9th and 10th category, but the entire mode of speech would be English, so that every single person who do not understand Hindi or English would be able to learn from there. And it's nothing like it's on YouTube, so it's nothing like कि आप लोग वहां पे जाने के बाद यहां से नहीं पढ़ सकते। Obviously you can always toggle on both of this, जहां से अच्छा समझ में आए वहां सीखो। And I'm so proud, and not even 1 single percentage of sadness I have कि और यार यहाँ से बच्चे वहां चले जाएंगे। कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता मुझे, और ना ही हमारी टीम को लगता है, ना ही हमारे वेदांतों को फर्क पड़ता है। क्यों नहीं फर्क पड़ता? क्योंकि हमारे दिमाग में सिर्फ एक ही चीज है, यू शुड प्रॉस्पर, दैट्स ऑल। इफ यू आर प्रॉस्परिंग फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, प्लीज गो अहेड। अगर हमसे हो रहा है तो वी आर वेरी प्राउड, वी आर वेरी ग्लैड कि वी आर हेल्पिंग यू टू प्रॉस्पर, दैट्स ऑल। ठीक है बच्चों, बस आप लोग आगे बढ़ते रहो। तो जैसा मैंने कहा, यस, नाउ यू आर गोना हैव डबल धमाका, 9th and 10th एग्जिस्टिंग चैनल जिसमें इंग्लिश चलता रहेगा मोस्टली, एंड यू विल हैव 9th and 10th कंप्लीट इंग्लिश चैनल। यस, या now most of the amazing hit series which has been running in this channel will be running in that also, because I'm pretty sure you guys love Umang series, you guys love Sprintech series, you guys love one shot series, fast track series, animation series. Everything you have loved in this channel would be done there as well in English. Do not worry, for all these subjects out there, that is physics, chemistry, biology, SST, English, mathematics, for all the subjects, for CBSE 9, CBSE 10, ICSE 10, we are not stopping any of the subject and the series going there as well. So people, I really hope that this brings a smile on your face, and that brings a smile on everyone's face, like majority of the students in the country. I'm damn sure of this, क्योंकि जो भी बच्चे इंग्लिश से कतराते थे वो तो यहाँ पे है, और जो बच्चे हिंदी से कतराते थे वो यहाँ पे होंगे, right? So all the English speaking students out there who love to learn in English, there, majorly South India category, South Indian part of you guys, है ना? You guys have been requesting us from really long time to teach in English, teach in English, teach in English. Now people, you have a separate channel for it, so enjoy. That's what you're gonna do. Now, to give you a bit more clarity, as I told you in terms of series will be there. Now, more series will be coming in that channel also. More series will come in this channel also. वो तो हमेशा होता रहेगा आगे पीछे. All the things will be happening. Don't worry about that. Primary thing now, for which I really request you now not to feel bad about and not to take it in any other direction. And that is, people, in the new channel, the teachers would be a bit different. The teachers are a bit different. That doesn't mean that the teachers are leaving Vedanta and going anywhere. Please don't say that. I already saw that in the trailer video, something new, something old, trailer video I saw. Is teachers leaving us? The new teacher coming up, or what is happening? So don't worry. We all are going to be there, and new teachers would be joining with us. I'll tell you primarily why are new teachers joining us for the same subjects. I'll tell you why first of all. Because people, teachers are also human beings, right? I hope you understand that. Teachers are also human beings, and Vedanta teachers are also a part of human being, entire mammal kingdom. I hope you guys understand that, right? So they have their own personal commitments, personal responsibilities. They have their professional responsibilities. And trust me when I say this, they do 100% of the professional responsibility every single day. And I hope you agree with me on that, है ना? तो जब already 100% हो जा रहा है, इससे ज़्यादा और कैसे कर पाएंगे वो? Time is a constraint, है ना? तो इसी वजह से बच्चों, on the new channel, the teachers who will remain the same from the existing channel, I'll tell you the name first. Right? So chemistry is going to be Anubha ma'am, but there is no change in that. Anubha ma'am is going to, cater to you in both the channels. So good to go. In SST, it's going to be Ankana ma'am, who has joined recently with us in the existing channel. She is going to replicate the same thing in English in the new channel. So good to go again. And yes, when it comes to English, it would be Shweta ma'am. Same Shweta ma'am, who is teaching you in here, also there. So do not worry at all. Coming down now to maths. Maths for CBSE 9th and ICSE 10th in the existing channel is taken care by Gopal sir. There is no change in that. Gopal sir is going to be there with you in that channel itself. Good to go. And one amazing news is that Harsh sir, who teaches you mathematics for CBSE 10th here, will be teaching you there as well. So congratulations people. So majority of the teachers are still there. But there are two teachers who will not be a part of it in this new channel. I'm pretty sure you might have guessed it by right now. Yes, Amrit sir and me sadly will not be able to be a part of that channel. But that doesn't mean कि कोई खराबी होने वाली है. Again, as I said, we both are still teaching in this existing channel. You can always come out there. You can always, love the same, show the same support and the love you guys are supporting here. Don't worry. And we are always there for you. So do not worry about that. Now, as I said, the reason why Amrit sir is not able to be, would not be able to there is because of the responsibility perspective. Amrit sir takes YouTube sessions, takes master classes, takes paid classes, regular classes, and also takes a lot of other responsibilities in Vedantu, and hence it will not be able to be for him to cater to him here on YouTube on the new channel. But also I'm pretty sure he's catering to all the other students somewhere else. He's always catering to students. Teachers are always catering to students at the end of the day. Might be here, might be there. That's it. Right? Similarly, me. I'll not be able to, be there, people, for the new channel. Sorry about that. Really sorry. And sorry from Amrit sir's side also. Really apologies. I'll also not be able to be there. So, I request, and the reasons I think you guys know right now, कि I handle the existing channel, which is 9th and 10th, and you already know, and I'm pretty sure everyone knows, and I'll confirm the news right now. 9th and 10th physics coming very soon. So yeah, it's already there on the list, and it is going to be impossible for me to be there in 3 channels, right? I hope you guys get that. It's impossible for any person to be there in 3 channels, and also do other responsibilities. So I'm taking a call today. I know I might be losing a lot of you guys. What to say? Timing. I'll not be able to spend time with you much in the new channel, but I'll be making sure I'll come in between here and there. I'll make sure I'll do that. So, but yeah, I'll not be there because, as I said already, okay, I'm really sorry for that, but that's how it's happening. Now, the person who's going to teach you physics in that channel, biology teacher is going to be there, but due to some circumstances we have not confirmed yet. But to be very honest with you, if I be very honest with you, I'm also not sure who's going to be the biology teacher, but we are doing our best that it's a face which you already know. Okay? It's a face which you already know. We are trying to do that so that the connection remains same. Okay? And don't worry about it. All things going to be good. And for physics, I'm very proud to say, for physics, the teacher is going to come up to teach you, the master teacher is going to come up and teach you, is going to be Anoop sir. Right? His name is Anoop, and he's a brilliant teacher. And to be very proud of him, especially because Anoop sir and me are classmates right from college time. We have studied aerospace engineering together, sitting on the same bench. And if I just could say, he was a very bad student. He was a very bad student in aerospace engineering, but he made it through. Yeah, he made it through. He joined Vedantu 6 months after I joined. I joined in March 2018, but Anoop sir joined in the month of 6 months later. What is it? Some December or November 2018, and he started as a class teacher, then he moved on to master teacher, and then now he's moving on to he taught 6 to 8 class, then he taught 9 to 10 class, and slowly he improved himself, and he has shown the world that with hard work anything can happen. And Anoop sir, the same Anoop sir, is going to teach you for 9th and 10th grade. And it was never ever, people, trust me when I say this, अगर मेरे college के दोस्तों को मैं बोलूँ ना कि talking in general local language, अनूप पढ़ा रहा है, कोई बिलीव नहीं करेगा. सच बता रहा हूँ कि अगर अनूप टीचर, इतना सक्सेसफुल टीचर बन चुका है अनूप, कोई बिलीव नहीं करेगा. Coming back to the formal me. So yes, people, Anoop sir is going to be the teacher. So we both will be handling physics. Anoop sir will be handling here and I'll be handling here. Right? So do not worry. He is as crazy as me. And when he is teaching, you will see reflections of me. Trust me on that. Trust me on that. When he is teaching, you will see reflections of me. When I'm teaching, after he teaches, when I'm teaching, you will see reflections of him in me. I'm pretty sure you will see that. Trust me on that. Right? So do not worry. You guys are in safe hands as always, because we will not, do any compromises in your learning experience, or it could be the learning outcome. यानी कि आपके पढ़ने के एक्सपीरियंस को और आपके पढ़ने के बाद जो आपको नॉलेज गेन हो गया, तो आपको जो मार्क्स आएंगे या तो आप जो सक्सेस रेट मिलेगी आपको, उसमें हम कोई भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज आने नहीं देंगे. ठीक है पीपल? सो माई ओनली विश इज सपोर्ट द सेम वे हाउ यू सपोर्टेड अवर एग्जिस्टिंग चैनल, same way you support that channel, 9th and 10th English, and also support all the teachers out there as well. ठीक है बच्चों? So thank you so much people, and if in case you enjoyed this session, do not forget to hit the like button and spread this word that 9th and 10th existing channel of Vedantu spreading its wings. Bye bye, take care, until we meet the next time. This is Abhishek signing off. Enjoy your life, stay home, stay safe, stay strong. Bye people, take care.